My bottom line here is the judge gave everybody the lunch hour to figure it out. The state needs to share the PowerPoint that they have prepared, and he's threatened to take the presentation away and basically halt the state's opening statement if there are any more objections with teeth and or errors in which we did see in these initial slides. Put yourself, I don't know if you own one, but put a prosecutor hat on just for a second. And how horrible is this as a start? You've been waiting months for this. You're the lead, you're running out there addressing the jury, and your opening is just, I don't know if it could have gone any worse.
No, it couldn't have gone worse. You're right, Ted. That was awful. I had goosebumps when I was listening to that, because obviously we've all been on the receiving end of a tirade of a judge, sometimes justified, sometimes unjustified, and it could not have gone worse, right? Because, I mean, she just got a tongue lashing by a judge, and that's the beginning of her case. It's not the middle, it's not the, well, it, probably worse if it was the end, but that's how it began. It was off to a very bad start. I actually agree with the judge, but, you know, believe it or not, and he had to do it. He was very upset. He was very, very upset. And you know what? They should have known better. They should have been more prepared. And he even said, you know, I warned you guys. I told you this would happen. And then you're catching me off guard. And, you know, here's what's behind the scenes, right? So this judge and this prosecutor, and I don't know them personally, but every single criminal judge and prosecutor, they know each other. They practice with one another, right? So this is not the only case that this prosecutor has in front of this judge, you know, this month, right? I mean, prosecutors either work in the same building as a judge or in a building adjacent to the judge, and they see the judges. And the judge, before he became a judge, he was either a prosecutor or defense attorney. So he knew that attorney before he became a judge. So they all grew up together in the profession. And so for him to give her a tongue lashing like that, that means he was very upset, and he privately had warned them not to put him in that situation. And they put him in that situation. He kind of felt disrespected.